Here's how to roll back AMD graphics driver. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Then open it. In the Device Manager window, expand Display Adapters and find your AMD graphics card. As I have Intel graphic card, but the steps are exactly same for AMD drivers, so follow along. Next, right-click your AMD graphics card and choose Properties. From the tabs at the top, select Driver. Here, the first option you should try is Rollback Driver. If the Rollback Driver button is available, click it and follow the instructions shown on your screen. However, if the button is grayed out, in that situation, select Update Driver. Then choose Browse My Computer for drivers. After that, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the list, select your AMD graphics driver and click Next. Windows will install the driver you selected, which may restore an earlier version. If that method doesn't work either, you can manually install an older AMD graphics driver. Once again, right-click your AMD graphics card, select Properties, and open the Driver tab. Here, you'll see the driver version and driver date. Take note of this information, especially the date, because you'll need it when choosing an older driver. Now, open your web browser and search for AMD drivers download. On the official AMD website, scroll down until you find the section where you can search or browse for drivers. Select Graphics, then choose the AMD graphics card currently installed on your computer. After selecting your graphics card, click Submit. Next, scroll down the page and find Previous Versions. Click that option, then choose the version of Windows you're currently running. You'll now see older AMD graphics driver versions, along with their release dates. Find the version you want to install, preferably one released before the problem started. Once you've chosen the driver, click Download and follow the installation instructions provided on your screen. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.